Hey people, I have here a Brazilian PAPAIZ 35 millimeter brass padlock. These are really well constructed little padlocks. 35 millimeter, I believe, is a 4-pinner. Might be a 5. But definitely carry spools. All of them do. There we go, we got a false set. And I believe we have one pin holding us up. Now you see when I push on that spool pin, how the tension wrench over here moves back? That's feedback. And there we go, that pin set. There's one more holding it, you see that? I push on that third pin in and the tension wrench moves. More feedback. So we want to completely set that pin till it clicks above the shear line. Now what I've done is I've overset it. So I have to start over now.
His name was Martin Bedell.
There's the first pin set.
He was in Century Work Camp with you. Right up until the escape. So I knew him. You know him. Everybody knew him.
But he doesn't know this one, does he? Not this Martin Bedell.
No. Another Martin Bedell.
Maybe it's just coincidence.
How many coincidences named Sarah Connor got killed before Skynet finally locked in?
And there we go.
So why would he want to kill?
There it is. The PAPAIZ CR35 Brazilian 35 millimeter brass padlock. It has, I can see the one regular, does have one regular pin in there. The rest are spools. Very well made locks, but also fairly easy to pick with some practice. So don't forget to rate it. Peace. Don't use anything you learn here for legal purposes. And get your picking tools at uklockpickers.co.uk. Have fun.